How to add W2G on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Form W2G reports gambling winnings from casinos, lotteries, horse racing, or other gambling activities. If you received one, the first thing you want to do is log into your TurboTax account and open your return. Now, if you are on TurboTax desktop, you want to search for W2G. Make sure you do not include any hyphens. Now select Jump to Link. Now answer yes on the Did you win money or other prizes in 2024 screen and follow the instructions to enter your W2G. You will have to enter details such as payer's name and address, payer's TIN, date of winning, amount won, federal tax withheld, state tax withheld. Now click continue and repeat if you have multiple W2G forms. After you've entered all the information, review it. TurboTax will calculate taxes based on your winnings, losses, and withholdings. Once done, you can e-file or print and mail your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.